Hey everyone, I'm Lewis, the founder of Geeky Medics. I just wanted to briefly mention Transillumination, and what this basically involves is applying a light source to the scrotum and then simply observing to see, does the swelling fill with light, which is what is commonly referred to as transillumination. The presence of transillumination, as clearly demonstrated in this video, indicates that there is a fluid component to the scrotal swelling, and the most common cause of this in the context of scrotal swelling is hydrocele. Okay, that's everything for today. If you'd like to learn more, make sure to subscribe to be the first to know when we release new videos.
If you enjoyed this video, check out the Geeky Medics collection of over 500 OSCE stations and put your OSCE skills to the test. You can practice with friends, create your own study group, or team up with another member of the Geeky Medics community with our OSCE Match feature. Sign up today to access our selection of free OSCE stations.